and welcome everyone. I'm so glad you made it to this special session called Sweet Date. And yes, the name says it all. And why? Because dates are not just delicious, they offer a real chance to earn income with meaning. So whether you're looking for a little side income or a flexible business to run from your own or an opportunity in the growing health and wellness world, you are in the right place. By the end of our time together, you will learn how natural date products will not only fuel your healthy living, but also transform your income story in ways you never thought possible. Okay, so a bit about myself. My name is Kubi Wahab. I'm a medical doctor, a faith instructor, and a business coach. My journey to wellness started with something simple, a love for wholesome and nourishing food. I remember the first time I added dates into my meal, my energy level increased and my sugar cravings decreased. And that was one of the first change that made me begin this journey into wellness and distributorship with date products. Now, I'm not just going to be sharing today about selling a product. It's about believing in what you share. When you stand behind something you know is good for people's health, it's easier to talk about, it's easier to sell, and most importantly, it feels right. So let's dive into it and you see how these sweet natural foods can open doors for you too. So I'm going to be sharing my screen now. The first next thing you're going to see now is my screen. I'm going to be sharing my screen and telling you different things about date products and how you can also become a distributor today. So welcome again. And like I said, you're seeing my screen now, and you're going to be learning today a step-by-step guide on how you can start a lucrative business with natural date products in Nigeria and Africa. So what will you be learning? One, the health power of date-based products. While the market is booming now in Nigeria and Africa, how you can join the movement and earn as a distributor, real life income example, and how to get started. Then you will also get to know about our starter distributor kit and what happens after this class. So about dates, dates, is an ancient fruit and it's also a modern superfood. So dates have been used for thousands of years for energy, fertility, and healing. Now they are trending again as part of the clean eating movement for a good reason. Dates are one of the healthiest fruits in the world. Why are dates the healthiest fruit now as at now? Dates are not just sugar. Dates are rich in fiber, potassium, magnesium, iron, calcium, vitamin B6, and antioxidants. Dates are gentle on blood sugar, and with dates you don't have sugar crashes. So our syrup and powder are made for 100% ripe dates. You'll get to know more about them shortly. So what are some of the health benefits of dates and key ingredients? Number one, dates boost fertility. That's meaning that your body's ability to have children. And the key ingredients responsible for this are zinc. And how does this work? Dates improve your reproductive hormones and the egg/sperm quality. Number two health benefits of dates and the key ingredients that is responsible is that dates controls blood sugar levels, meaning that it keeps the sugar level in your blood at the right level so you don't get weak or sick. The key ingredients responsible are the low glycemic index and fiber that you have in dates. How does it work? It prevents sugar spikes and maintain steady energy. Sugar spikes are the sugar rush that you get when you eat something that has sugar content. So you get that rush in your body, but it often follows with a crash. But dates does not help you have this so that you're not your energy level is maintained. Another important benefit of date is that it supports brain function, meaning it helps how your brain remembers, thinks, and focuses. And the key ingredients responsible for dates are antioxidants, vitamin B6 that you have in dates. How does this work? It nourishes the brain, boosts memory, and sharpens focus. Some health benefits of dates and key ingredients. Number 5 is that it prevents cardiovascular disease. And this means that diseases that affect the heart and blood vessels. So the key ingredients that helps this to happen are potassium and magnesium. How does it work? It regulates blood pressure and strengthens heart muscles. The example of cardiovascular diseases include heart attack, myocardial infarction, stroke, heart failure, coronary heart disease, arrhythmia, which are irregular heartbeat, hypertension, and any high blood pressure related heart complications. Number 6, dates improves digestion and gut health. This means that it how your stomach breaks down and keeps you free from constipation, I mean. And the key ingredient is the dietary fiber that we have in dates. How does it work? It eases bowel movement and promotes healthy gut bacteria, so that way it improves your digestion and gut health. So the fiber you see in our date product does not dissolve in water like other fiber. There are many other um, benefits, but I will stop there for now. When you sign up as a distributor, you will get to know more. Right now, I want to talk about the wellness boom in Africa. Wellness is no longer a luxury, it's a movement. Everybody wants to be well, everybody wants to be healthy. And people are now ditching refined sugar, going for plant based products. They now read the food labels to see what they are consuming. And so dates are positioned perfectly, especially in Africa where you have diabetes and PCOS awareness is rising. So there are some certain myths about dates. Some people say that dates usually spike blood sugar. I already explained that earlier. So do dates spike blood sugar? Not the same as refined sugar. Date has fiber and so is able to give you a balance. Are dates safe for kids or pregnant women? Yes, in fact, they are recommended in pregnancy with nutrition. Some say date is just sugar. No, date is food plus medicine plus energy source. So here are our core products in Kubert store. We have 3 main products, and each one solves a real wellness problem and sells itself. The first one is date powder, which you can use for baking, smoothies, and kids meals, and also your own meals like pap and custard and some other things. Then we have the date syrup, which you can use for tea, for sauces. You can also use it for baby food. You can use it as a diabetic safe sweetener. Then we have the date tea, which is caffeine free, it is gut healing, and is naturally sweet. I'll just go and talk a bit about each of the products that we have. The date syrup is made with 100% pure dates, no preservatives. You can use it for sweetening your tea, like I said. You can use it for baking. You can use it for glazes. You can use it for pancakes. You can use it for salad dressing and also baby food. Then it takes like caramel and adds all its nutrients intact. The date powder is a perfect replacement for refined sugar in baking, in pancakes, and in smoothie, just like you're seeing in the picture above. Unlike sugar, this retains fiber and trace minerals. It is great for children's meals and healthy snack. The date tea is caffeine free, is naturally sweet, and gut friendly. It helps with digestion, relaxation, and daily hydration. It is loved by wellness coaches, moms, and herbal tea lovers. You will love it too. So what makes our product different from every other product that you see? Number one ingredients that we have is dates. Everything is dates, date. No preservatives, no sugar added, no artificial anything. And we have it properly dehydrated, sun dried. We have it, it's the process we have is to extract slowly, which ensures that our nutrients are retaining. And of course, it has a high shelf table life and it's friendly to the Nigeria climate. So it is Nigeria climate friendly in our packaging. So why is now the best time for you to become a distributor? Because the sugar-free movement is rising fast. People are looking for healthier sugar alternative, especially mothers, wellness buyers, and diabetics. You don't want to wait until the market is crowded. First movers always win. So be amongst the first movers. And why you should distribute with us? Why should you distribute with us? You don't need a big shop or staff. You can sell through word of mouth, you can sell through social media, you can sell through your market, or you can sell from home. We have many distributors that are selling from home. You get products at wholesale rates, backed by branding, there's mentorship, and tools are available for you. You also become a part of a growing wellness movement with a product people truly need. So where are the other distributor perks? You have instant access to date products at wholesale price. You get to have templates, sales scripts, and promo materials. You have free mentorship and WhatsApp support. Then, of course, you have different passive income options and growth bonuses. Then you have an opportunity to grow into a team leader or an area rep. So how are distributors earn? Daily sales from the powder, syrup, and tea. Repeat customers, which ensure you have recurring income. Bulk orders to schools, gyms, and moms group. You can sell in person or even just sell on WhatsApp. And some of our distributors earn like 25,000 to 150,000 monthly, depending on your efforts. There are actually 13 major ways you can earn as a distributor with us. But I will be sharing more details as soon as you sign up as a distributor. So wait for that.
My name is Agnes Tutile, and I am in Abuja, Nigeria. Thank you, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about my journey in Reward Income Global. So, a few months ago, I was working, but somehow along the line, my project ended, and so I was at home. And while on social media, I saw a friend, Madam Yenisi from Lagos, advertising a business called Reward Income Global with products that had to do with this. So these are products I could use personal or in the house. And so I asked question and I joined and I registered with the executive package, which was 60,000 naira. And immediately I got my product within 2 days. And so I started using the product for myself and my family. Along the line, I felt that, oh, this is a good product. Why not also buy and sell? So I became a retailer. So I registered to become a stockist. And my stockist account is Chile Days. And I am still at home, as you can see. I work from home. All I do is to receive products when they come in from Lagos. In my home here, I stock them here and I distribute from this point to whoever is in need of products here in Abuja and neighboring states. So yes, what have I gained from being a member of Reward Income Global? Yes, it's been rewarding. As much as I am at home, not going to the office, but I am doing something. As a woman, as a wife in the home, I am still contributing my little. Yes, I still use the gains from this to do one or two things for myself and for the children and also for the household. So it's been helpful. So I am grateful that I met Reward Income Global. Please, I'm encouraging you to join us today. Please join. Meet anybody that is in Reward Income Global and join. The compensation plan is sweet and beautiful. Please join us today. Thank you for your time and see you soon. Bye.
share the testimony yourself. It's your turn to join the Sweet Health movement. We are building a network of health and health-led entrepreneurs. This is your chance to join early, grow confidence, and help others live well. This movement is sweet and it's real. To join, why you should join us today, you have health impact plus income, which is equal to a meaningful business. You can work at your pace from anywhere. You have access to training, you have access to sales materials, you have access to mentorship, and you should join today because distributor slots are limited by region. It's action time. If you've ever dreamed of building a small wellness-based business, this is it. No risky stockpiling, no confusing product, just goodness as shared. So let's help you get started with a product you will love and a plan that works just for you. So I just want to do a quick recap of what we have shared today. In this session, you have learned why dates are more than just a sweet fruit. It's a real business opportunity, from boosting health and family meals to opening doors for flexible income. Dates bring both wellness and health. It brings both wellness and wealth together. We explored how believing in what you share makes building a natural wellness business not only profitable but also deeply meaningful. My final thought for you today, as you step away from this session, remember the sweetness profit come when passion meets purpose. This isn't just about starting a business, it's about sharing something you genuinely believe and watching it impact lives, including yours. Now the choice is in your hands to take this natural gift and turn it into your own story of health, freedom, and income. Thank you for your time and attention. This class has provided valuable insight into building a business, a successful business with date products. We believe in building real business with real impact. More important details on distributor packages will be dropped in the WhatsApp group. Thank you for participating. See you in the WhatsApp group.